just got back and you're going out again.
Of course I have an emergency. What is it?
Are you coming back tonight?
No, I'm not.
A date for my father's burial has been fixed and I'm yet to go to the village. The elders have been asking about me and...
Listen, tell them you're not coming. You understand me? Tell them you're not coming. I mean, what is all this? Is this why you stopped me? Because of your stupid family? Listen, let the dead bury the dead. Yes, I said so. Let the dead bury the dead. Because as far as I'm concerned, everybody in that family is dead. Nobody's living. You understand me? Because of course you people lack money. Let the dead bury the dead. You're not going anywhere. That's what I said, and that's simple, and that's on period.
Okay, but I am the adult of the family.
Hey, my friend. Hey, you! Come here. Nzeli!
Sir!
Listen, this woman must not leave this compound. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
I said this woman must not leave this compound.
Again?
Are you stupid?
Hey, madam, what happened?
Do I have your kidney with me? Get out.
I can't believe this.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.